Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a delightful culinary adventure with a recipe that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. Golden corn fritters with a sweet twist. Let's not waste any time. Let's get cooking. To kick things off, let's cook those vibrant corn kernels until they are tender and oh so delicious. Once they're done, give them a break from the heat. Now it's time for the magic mix. Combine those cooked corn kernels with a blend of sticky rice flour and cornstarch. Let the flavors mingle for an exciting texture. Get your pan ready. A little oil is all it takes to make sure nothing sticks. Pour that beautifully blended corn mixture onto the pan, making sure it's spread out evenly. Watch as the fritters sizzle and transform into a gorgeous golden brown. And here comes the sweet twist. A sprinkle of brown sugar on top, adding that perfect hint of sweetness. And just like that, your plate is now graced with the scrumptious golden corn fritters with a sweet twist. Give this recipe a whirl and let me know how your taste buds dance. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and remember, the kitchen is where the magic happens. Catch you in the next one.